Okay, in this presentation, this is going to be a short one. Essentially what we're going to do here is we're going to have a look at hyperbolic functions, and it's just a simple proof. We have two hyperbolic functions, the hyperbolic sine, which I'm going to pronounce as shine, okay, and hyperbolic cosine, which I am going to pronounce as cosh, okay. So just for the sake of simplicity, shine and cosh. Okay, I'm not happy about those pronunciations, but it's less of a tongue twister than hyperbolic sine and hyperbolic cosine. So anyway, here we have shine squared of x. Okay, so essentially shine x to be squared, equal to a half of cosh 2x minus 1. So just remember that minus 1 is in the brackets. Okay. So essentially what we have to show is that this side is equal to this side, okay? So it's a very straightforward enough operation, okay? What I'm going to do here is start with the left-hand side. And this is when we use the exponential function, this is what shine is, e to the x minus e to the minus 2x, or minus x over 2, okay? Just like that. And we square it, okay, because it's shine of x all to be squared. So we're just going to square that. So essentially this is just be careful with this. So e to the x times e to the x is e to the 2x, okay? So in both cases now we have e to the x times e to the minus x, e to the x times e to the minus x, and e to the x times e to the minus x. And then we have e to the minus x times minus e to the minus x, and that works out as plus e to the minus 2x. Essentially just watch the sign there, basically, okay? And also remember that e to the x squared is e to the 2x, and e to the minus x squared is e to the minus 2x, okay? So e to the x times e to the minus x is essentially what you do is add the two powers there. So x plus minus x, it just gives us 0. So we end up with e to the 0. Likewise, we do so here. Okay, so e to the 0 is actually simply just 1. So just sort of piecing that together, e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x minus 2 over 4. Now that's where I'm going to stop. Okay, and now I am going to go to the right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to work on this now. Okay, and let's just start it up there. Okay, so we start off with minus a half of cosh 2x minus 1. Okay, so cosh of 2x is, well, cosh of x is e to the x plus e to the minus x over 2. So rather than x here we have 2x, so we have e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x over 2. Okay, we have minus 1 there. So what I'm going to do is just put that, re-express that 1 as minus 2 over 2, common denominator, so we can actually go from this here to this down here, okay? We have the half outside, okay, so we just remember that. And essentially, it actually resolves pretty quickly, such that we get an expression that is identical. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so that's essentially the proof done. Okay, so we'll leave the video there. This is a nice and short one.